How to reserve your perfect campsite. A beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that is essential for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers: campsite reservations. Whether you're planning your first camping trip or you're looking to understand this process better, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery of securing the perfect spot for your next outdoor adventure. A campsite reservation refers to the process of booking a specific spot at a campground ahead of your visit. Just like you reserve a table at a restaurant or a room in a hotel, reserving a campsite ensures you have a designated place to set up your tent or park your RV. This is crucial during peak travel seasons or at popular destinations, where spots can fill up quickly. Reserving a campsite offers several benefits. Guarantees your spot. No need to worry about arriving only to find there's no space available. Choice of location. Often, you can choose your site based on your preferences. Whether it's near a lake, has shade, or is close to bathroom facilities. Planning ahead allows you to plan your trip with the assurance that you have a place to stay. Making a reservation typically involves the following steps. 1. Choose your campground. Research campgrounds in the area you wish to visit. Consider amenities, rules, and activities available. 2. Select your dates. Decide on your arrival and departure dates. Flexibility might increase your chances of finding a spot. 3. Use online platforms or call directly. Many campgrounds accept reservations through their websites or by phone. Be prepared with your personal information and payment details. 4. Confirm your reservation. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation, usually via email. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. Book early. Especially for popular locations, start looking months in advance. Read the campground rules. Each place has its own set of rules regarding pets, fires, and quiet hours. Consider off-peak times. Camping during the week or in the off-season can be easier to book and more peaceful. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has illuminated the process of making a campsite reservation and why it's a crucial step in planning your camping adventures. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way towards ensuring your outdoor experiences are both enjoyable and stress-free. Happy camping, and see you in our next video.